Is WhatsApp Web refusing to load on your computer? You're not alone. Hundreds of users have reported issues just this week. But don't worry, I've got quick, effective fixes you can try right now to get it working again. First, try the simplest fix. Refresh the page. Click the reload button or press F5, then log back in. This often solves temporary glitches. Over time, your browser stores cache files that can block WhatsApp Web. Go to your browser settings and clear cache and cookies. Then restart your browser and try logging in again. Disconnect and reconnect WhatsApp Web from your phone. Open WhatsApp, go to linked devices and log out. Then scan the QR code again. Make sure your phone camera is clean for a quick scan. An outdated browser can cause compatibility problems. Whether Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, make sure you have the latest version. After updating, restart and wait 30 seconds before logging back in. Try these steps and you should be back on WhatsApp Web in minutes. If servers are down, be patient and check back later. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's panicking about their messages.